Hi everyone, I'm Aditya, you're watching my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make your Android look like iPhone 10. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Link for all apps are given in the description. First app I'm gonna talk about is iLauncher. This app is not available in the Play Store, so you have to download this as an APK. To do so, make sure unknown sources is enabled. Now open the app, go to Preferences, then Personalization and enable 5th row. You may change the settings as you like. It has pretty much same features and transitions like an iOS. This app has the closest look to iPhone 10. The next app I'm gonna talk about is iNotify. You can find this app on Play Store. Click on Turn iNotify. Now go to Settings and then scroll down and click on iNotify. Then enable it and then click on OK. Now go back to the app and then click on Control Center. And now go back to the home screen, slide up, see the control panel, and slide down, see the new notification panel. The next app is iPhone X lock screen. Click on it, then click on Activate Lock and then scroll down a bit. Make sure notification setting is enabled and then come back and make sure you have enabled Quick Reply and music player is also enabled. Then scroll down and click on Enable Pin and skip this part and enter the key you want to be the new pin. After doing this, go back to your home screen and now only one app remains, Apple Keyboard. Click on it and then go to Enable in Settings. Then select Apple Keyboard. Click OK and then you have to click on Switch Input Method, select English US. Then click on it again and then you're done. Now you may change the wallpaper to iPhone 10's official wallpaper. To do so, click on Personalization and click on Change Wallpaper. The link for the iPhone 10's wallpaper is given in the description. Now you will find that your Android phone will be looking like an iPhone 10. All features and settings works perfectly fine. For example, the notification panel, it works smoothly and perfectly fine. And the lock screen, it gives a good feel to it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, leave a like, subscribe and comment down below. I'll catch you guys next time. So that's it for now. Bye.